All right, boys, we made it to the spot and about to unload this thing the easy way. I mean, we could roll it out, but that's no fun. I'm gonna ride this thing out. What could go wrong? Not the best parking. Oh, baby. All right, everyone, we got an exciting day ahead of us right now. We got some new stuff going on. First of all, we got to figure out how to put the quad in the back of the truck. And then also, I just picked up a new part for my quad. So this is a titanium block that I'm putting on the back of my quad right here on this wheelie bar. And this thing makes sparks. So your boy is about to be lighting up while I do wheelies. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I haven't got to ride in a while and I'm pretty excited. So I'm about to throw this thing on. My boy and Jelly's about to come over and I'm gonna figure out how to load this bike up in the back of that huge truck there. So should be eventful. All right, so we need 2 holes. This should be pretty easy. And Jelly on the bike. What up? Oh, no. Pull that on the concrete. You can grab it right now. Grab the bike. You cannot leave the bike with the kickstand down in the grass next to the Hellcat. No, we're not good. We are not taking chances. I can just see it right now, that tipping over, and that would not be a good day. You think it's gonna be all right? Drilling into the KTM on it.
Even straight on, bro.
I think it's fine. Is this solid? I think this is solid aluminum. Dude, this is gonna be a bitch and a half. Screwing it. Screw it, bro. We're getting somewhere.
It is hard.
Bring some gasoline.
So you can spark it and fucking make some.
Dude, I was thinking about writing my name in gasoline and then going through and sparking it.
Yeah, you're gonna do that. That's really fun.
We need to do that. Look at this teamwork right here. Got the fan. It's literally 100 degrees right now in Florida. And we're in this garage.
50% humidity.
Look at him. Sweating. Me too. I'm dripping, literally. You're dripping too, to be honest.
Yeah. Oh.
It's
kind of cold over there, man.
a little icy. Boys, we just found some new drill bits.
Just happen to have some.
And this might be the move right here.
That's it. This one's open already, dude.
I think this thing's gonna fly through like butter. Like butter. You ready? Oh!
What?
All right. Let me put this on.
Oh, now it's focused.
Oh! It's getting dangerous out here.
Just gonna send it.
Fucking man. Fuck, not the white tee.
It's
Not the
dude,
white
you're
tee.
soaking wet.
Dude, look at this.
White t-shirt contest? Yeah. That's it.
That would really bump up our views. Alright, boys, I think we're good. Got her. She's solid. She ain't going nowhere. Alright, and Jelly, what do you think about this? You think we're gonna be able to get this thing in the back of the truck?
I mean,
I do have a ramp, but I think we need to do it.
We're gonna ramp it into the truck, you know.
I don't know. Alright, boys. I used to be able to do this with no ramp back in the day.
Right?
There's no way in hell this is happening.
No way.
We're gonna need the ramp. We got it. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Wow, so that with that.
That was so easy. I mean, ready to rock. Boys, we are locked and loaded. It's not locked and loaded unless you say.
It ain't going nowhere, man.
I'm pretty sure every time you strap something, you gotta say that. But look at this. This thing's up here. People are gonna wonder how I got it in. Wait till you see how we unload it. All right, boys, we're rolling out. I'll see you there. Hell yeah, bro. I like the bike.
Just honestly, you should just send it.
What?
Just send it.
Hey, I'll just... Look at it, jelly. Got a little gnarly out there, bro. What are you doing under there? Hey, 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 hey. Come on, come on. Oh, dude, you got so much room. Oh boy, what is going on? Who'd you make angry? Did you get keyed? No. Oh, looks like you got an angry girlfriend or something. Keep going. Oh God. Oh, oh, he popped the rear up a little bit. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Oh, oh my God, dude. Oh, 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 stop, stop, stop. Jeez. You came up and tapped it and came back down. Look at it, there's a little mark. All right, boys, well, we gassed up and we are, dude, that's so close. And it was closer a second ago, but we're rolling out. What if I got in and it like, he said he got full coverage. All right, boys, we made it to the spot and about to unload this thing the easy way. I mean, we could roll it out, but that's no fun. I'm gonna ride this thing out. What do you think? What's the chances of me making this?
Not a really good chance. I mean, you can
out of 10, out of 10.
6.5.
You gotta give me at least a 10 because I gotta be confident that I'm about to do this.
10.
Nothing can go wrong is why I need you. That's why I need you to say, okay.
Nothing can go wrong at all.
I guess there's no thinking about it. I'm just gonna do it.
Just do it.
What could go wrong? So I made it to the spot. We got Genso out here. I'm gonna put y'all right here and I'm gonna pull it up mid-wheelie, grab you guys, and Genso's gonna be next to me wheeling. That's the plan, but I guess we'll see how it goes. So. Tried to pull it up in third and it's too hard. I'm gonna have to pull it up in second.
Yeah, dude, that's
and then click the third while I'm in the wheel, and then I'll take my hand off. So then we'll be going a little bit faster.
As soon as you get the camera up, then I pick it up and I try to,
yeah.
I'm gonna just go up and drop back behind you like that, okay?
All right, let's try one more time. Practice makes perfect. I was riding and it felt like my bike was like the clutch was going out, but this is the culprit. Are you ready for this? Oh, oh, that's not good. Cook an egg on there. Is that what he said? Oh, hey, you got bacon?
There was a cop over there around the corner.
Little sizzle action. Good thing I got a lot of water. I bought 4 water bottles. Ooh. Ooh, that's not good. The bike broke down, brake locked up. I'm on Angeli's bike, and we're about to see what Genso's got. got you. Oh, you're done? Alright, bro. Fist bump it.
That's why I was fucking
Yeah. Alright, yeah. I don't want you to go no more. Alright, bro. Peace. So we're about to use this sparker. Yeah, you might want to wait. Oh, f it. We're about to light this thing up, see if this thing sparks. Ah. There. There it goes. Hey, Judah! Do something. Oh, fuck. Oh, no! No! Push! You blew it up! Fuck, Judah! He'll be alright. He'll be alright. Listen, the KTM never fails me. I'm gonna let her be.
Hey, right when that shit started white, so I got cut off.
Not me! How long was the white
Oh my.
The bike might be blown up. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was a solid day. It turned from mounting this to coming here and whatever other, I don't even know what to call what we just did. Oh! On my hand. But that's a wrap for this video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you didn't like it, drop a dislike. But that's a wrap. Peace.